The dogs work in relay. As one tires, another moves through to take up the running. Fleeing for its life, the wildebeest has a few tricks of its own. First, it tries to create confusion by running into a group of zebra. Then joins forces with other wildebeest to make a break for the main herd. Most of the dogs break off to find an easier victim. But one dog appears to have forgotten the basic pack rule. Stick together. Suddenly, he hears the pack and switches direction to rejoin them. And now there is no escape from the power of the pack.